it's Fran and this is Fran Toku Demo, and today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Zest DX Nox Driver. So here's the box, and we got here is the driver, then Kamen Rider Nox, and the capsule include. On the back is everything that you want to know about it. On the side we got Kamen Rider Nox and his forms. On the other side we got the full of Kamen Rider Nox and the Capsims. And on the top, we got Kamen Rider Nox, the driver and the Capsim. And most of all is the pointing, choking Hazard. So with no further ado, let's begin. And here it is. New year, new rider, and new driver. Nox can now transform into his rider form. So now let's take a look. As you can see, it's a oddly looking mechanical contraption in white base with bright orange and blue, and it's kind of bulky compared to Z's driver. So in the middle, there are two sockets, one deep and the other is shallow. Unlike the Z's driver, and the belt had a solid gray color. So the transformation mechanic is different because it spins or rotate or both. To do that is by pressing the button located on the big horn to release. Then we're going to rotate it in 360. So you probably know where these procedures came from. And now let's go with the Shadow Capsem. So this is a new type of Capsem for the usage on Nox driver. As you can see, it looks like an eye in solid deep violet in color and also looks so cybernetic. And in the center, it's a black hexagon with a, I don't know what design is this. And also can be pressed down. And when you press this button on the top, it will open up like a clam. And inside is a illustration that needs a sort of light to expose. So we can close this up. And unlike the capsule used by the code agents, this also contains the powers of defeated nightmares, particularly Shadow Nightmare that been whooped ass by Zets in Azuma Plasma. And according to a post that I've been seeing from my group chat, the capsule resembles a doorknob, especially in the center that looks like a lock and a keyhole, since nightmares are associated with doors. Now let's do the sound and transformation. So first we're going to turn the switch on. Okay, so there's no announcement and the speaker is located in the orange side. Now we're going to load the capsem to the blue side socket. Okay, so now we're going to hear the activate sound, which is a countdown clock. Then press the release button. And we're going to hear the standby sound. And rotate, Henshin. Okay, so now we transform into Kamen Rider Nox normal state, which is his standard form. As noticed that the Shadow Capsem had two active states. First is the blue side, which is for abilities, features, Nox, dashing, and the second is for the finisher, which is Nox doing a rider kick. By tapping the half of the Shadow Capsem, Nox can summon a poison mist that of someone else's shadow that he can manipulate, and also can turn it into a weapon. And now let's do the finisher. So same thing, we're going to press this button. And then standby sound again. Okay, so now we do the finisher that is not even shown. And now we're going to do the other finisher, but first we're going to remove the capsem, and that is by pressing this button. And we're going to plug the erase capsem. Okay. Then okay, so that's the erase deletes, which is Nox another finisher, which he can grab its enemy, erasing its what's ability they might have using, then do a gut punching to its sternum, destroying it from the inside. So it's a sort of an MK move, and it's the one that finish up Zero. Now let's load a regular capsem in the Nox driver. So we have here is the impact capsem, and here goes. Okay, so what I'm thinking that Nox can use other capsems, that one that used by Zets, so he can use it as a finisher. So speaking of finisher, here goes. Now we're going to load the Shadow Capsem in the Zets driver. So here goes. Okay, so instead of spinning it, we're going to press the middle. Okay, so it says a waking nightmare never ends. So I'm not sure about this, but Zets might use this kind of caption. So I'm not sure, but there's only one thing to find out. And now let's do the finisher. Okay, so the other finisher. now let's load the Shadow Capsem to the Breakam weapons, except Inazuma Blaster. So we go first with Breakam Zester, and here goes. Okay, so that's the Breakam Trash. Oh, it's really hard to eject. And now we go with the Breakam Buster, and here goes. Okay, the Breakam Cannon. And about the Inazuma Blaster. So this type of Capsem is not compatible due to the weapon's function that you need to wind up, and also had a roller inside. And because so it won't work. So let's give it a shot. But it will do sounds, but it will not do the finisher. So it won't work. And lastly, let's do a Capsem scan. And that's it for the DX Nox driver. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, ciao.